Hello friends, welcome back again to our channel, and today is a very shocking topic I'm going to give today in this video. You all should know about this topic. You have to watch this video till the end, and if you're having any doubt about this topic, please comment down so that I will check back later. So today about this topic is all about sugar. So coming up next, all about sugar. I'm going to say that, about this sugar substance about negatively and as well as positively. So there are both things included in this video. I'm going to say even bonus is that about modern science, especially what modern science researchers are saying. And this video, I especially made this video all from my researches. I research a lot from Google and other videos. So first thing we need to say about what is sugar. Okay. So we all know that sugar is white sugar. We are using in our daily life for making various of sweets, traditional foods, many extra. So whatever it is, today topic is about sugar. So first thing, how sugar is produced. We all know that it's coming from sugar cane juice to a natural sugar. But what happened? This foodstuff industries for making business and money. They are what they are doing is that to make this sugar more cheaper, what they're doing is that they are extracting too much, and this is turning into a white sugar. We all know that sugarcane juice is in a light brown in color, but when they are going to a chemical factory and when they process and when they are adding a lot of chemicals, what happens that this sugar becomes to a pure white sugar. That's what this one. So this one we are using for various foods and all. Especially children, they love chocolate and all. And how sugar actually goes in our body is that when it goes into our body, sugar is basically it's an unnutrient substance. It's not it doesn't have any nutrient. You are just eating sugar only for your taste. You're not eating for any benefits or whatever it is. It just gives you only side effect. That's what the side effect only I will say about in this video. More about later, but let's see that what sugar does to your body. So when sugar goes into your body, what happens that your insulin. So I mean your pancreas. So we all know that pancreas and our hormone that increases insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. So what happens that when you're eating a lot of sugar, this insulin it will reduce. So this is leading to type 2 diabetics. So that's the reason how you're getting diabetics. You got it. So first thing when you're eating sugar, insulin starts to low out, and your blood sugar levels are high. So what happens? You will go for a lot of checkups, diabetic checkups, everything, and the report will be on your diet is high in sugar. Basically, your diabetic doctor first of all he or she will tell you to stop eating sugar and switch to unsugar items. That's what. So it basically affects your insulin levels. Insulin is very important for regulating your normal blood sugar levels. Now not only that, modern science is saying up to like 95% that sugar is an addictive substance. How it's an addictive substance is that it increases an hormone called dopamine. See, when you're eating sugar, we all know that taste and whether it is sour or whether it's sweet, all your brain says. So whatever your brain is messaging, then you eat more. See, if you give to your children like a chocolate, he will eat that again and he will ask more. That's called addictiveness. When you're giving a vegetable and he will eat the vegetable, but after some time he will not ask because it's not taste. That's what. So when you eat sugar, what happens is your brain produces an hormone called dopamine. Dopamine is an addictive hormone which you cannot never ever tolerate. And one more shocking news is that sugar is 8 times more addictive than a drug called cocaine, which is banned in Switzerland. We all know that what is cocaine. Cocaine is an harmful drug. It is secretly influenced in our body to produce more addictiveness, dopamine. So that's it. So sugar is very dangerous. So now we discuss what about all about the sugar. Now next we are going for the next. Next we are going to say about the difference between brown sugar and white sugar. So due to this modern lifestyle, we all know that instead of taking white sugar, we are switching to brown sugar because people are thinking that brown sugar is healthier than white sugar because it is less in calories and it has a little bit nutrient they're thinking. But this all are fake. Now I'm going to show you the reason, the main reason. So difference between white sugar and brown sugar. So what's the main difference between white sugar and brown sugar is that white sugar is less more in calories, and whereas brown sugar is less in calories. What is that? Is that food industry to make brown sugar very less price, they are adding color to it. So we are thinking that it's a brown sugar, it's a pure form, but actually it doesn't. But there are some sugar which is organic also. You can also buy organic. For I'm not compromising you to not to take brown sugar at all. You can take, but make sure that you are taking only a little bit. But whereas researchers have been shown that brown sugar and white sugar both are the same, so you no need them a lot. That's it. Coming up next, which is third one, we are going to say about instead of sugar, we talked about brown sugar and white sugar. Now we're going to about special one, that is jaggery, which is about our traditional one, which is jaggery over here. So in this you can see that there are two types. This is called actually palm jaggery, and this is called normal jaggery. So now before buying, I want to request you one thing is that nowadays in last year from food safety they have been found that they are adding some sugar to jaggery. So this is actually adulterated jaggery they were saying, but make sure that if you are buying a jaggery, it should be like this dark in color. You can see here, which is dark. It should be dark in color, pure dark. Otherwise, you don't buy. If it is light brown in color, it means it is contaminated with loaded with high sugar fructose syrup. So make sure that you are buying jaggery in the right way. So now let's talk about what is jaggery. What are its health benefits? Now, when it comes to jaggery, I'm saying that jaggery is loaded with many vitamins and minerals, because this all the sources are extracted from the natural environment, which is organic, safe, completely you can consume. So instead of sugar, I'm telling you to make this into a powder form and take into that. So you can add into your sweets or whatever it is. You can make powder and you can consume. That's it.
Hold up. How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down.
We're coming up to the second last topic, which is which I told about this one, all these natural alternatives. But coming up the last topic, second last, I mean, which is honey. So we all know that honey is where it's a nutrient food, which is a super food. You have to include in your diet every day to see its health benefits. So honey is sweet in taste. It is an it should be raw honey. Make sure that if you're choosing an honey, it should be raw, it should be fresh. And I will also say in a separate video that how to test honey, whether it's pure or adulterated. I'll say in a separate video. More about that later. Let's say that how honey defeats sugar. So how honey is healthier than white sugar. So when if you're comparing with the white sugar and honey wins, because honey is loaded with vitamins and minerals. It is very sweeter than the normal white sugar. White sugar is sweet, but it is high in calories, as well as but honey also has calories. But what is the main difference between this and that is that it has low glycemic index, and white sugar has more glycemic index. So see, I told you in my previous video also, the more will be the glycemic index, the more will be your blood sugar levels. So honey, if you are a diabetic patient also, honey is safe. So honey is safe for both children and women and men. Everyone can take in their daily life. Honey is used for relieving cold, fever, cough, etc. Now, not only honey, I am also including date syrup. So actually, date syrup is very famous in Dubai. So I have date syrup over here. Date syrup also you can take instead of taking white sugar. If you're eating like bread or anything, you can toast it and you can eat instead of taking white sugar. So make sure that honey and date syrup both are same. While date syrup are extracted from the dates while boiling them and extracting a liquid which is called date syrup. So date syrup and honey is the same. Maybe in India date syrup can be not available, then in that type of cases you can take honey. So both are same. So this both are good sources of. Now we are going to for the next one, which is fruits. So fruits are loaded with not only sugar, they are a rich source of vitamins and minerals, which is very easy to for your body to digest. It is safe for diabetic patient. Every from children to adults, everyone can eat. You need to eat at least one seasonal fruit in a day for a healthier lifestyle. So whether it can be mango or oranges, apple, whatever season fruit it is, whether it's sweet or whether it's sour, whatever fruits it is, fruits are healthy for our daily life. So instead of taking white sugar, switch to fruits. And next we are coming to dates. So dates also a fruit which is famous in Dubai, as I told, date syrup. So dates also you can consume in your daily life for a better sweet. If you are feeling like I want to eat something very sweet, I want to eat something good, that means dates can be a better option instead of you're eating biscuit or alwa, many other traditional sweets and processed foods. Instead of that, if you want to eat something sweet or you are having a lot of cravings, that means you can start eating dates. So dates can be a better choice. Okay. And I hope this video is helpful for you. That is for this video. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.